Hello, all you cartoon ambulance lovers. So that might be like two of us in the whole world, right? But anyways, we have a ChoroQ again under the Targa brand, and it's that. It was inside this box, but I took it out already. This is an interesting looking set. It seems to be Fire Department Collection number 3. So that's interesting that they would have success with two others beforehand. I can see one set being successful, but they're up to the third. And this box says 2008, so it's kind of old. And I've seen this casting before. I haven't seen this though. That's pretty nice. This crazy fan one is nice. That's what we're going to look at now. And then, well, this is actually cool as well. I'd buy that if I ever see that for a decent price. This truck looks pretty lame though. It's no molded details. It's just all flat surfaces that's printed on. Alright, well anyways, you know what's in collection number 3 now. So, big blister pack, so no damage. Okay, so there's a gurney. I couldn't figure out what vehicle this is though. Hold on here, this gurney, I'm trying. Does this thing fold all the way? It looks like it would fold more, but I'm not seeing it. Well, I guess that's it. It only goes up and down a little bit. Alright. So, I just pulled up images of 2008 Japanese ambulance. And there's nothing with this window where it curves in this direction. You know, the high ace is going in the opposite direction. And then the other ones just have vertical side windows. So this could be a totally fictional car. I'm not sure. Or maybe it is a real ambulance. Please leave a comment if you know what it might be. The front end looks like a Nissan. But not a Nissan from 2008. More like a modern day Nissan. Okay. So the front end does have some nice printing on it. Google Translate came up with a bunch of different translations like Edo Brigade or something like that. So I don't know what Google's translation is right or not. There's some black paint in here, orange paint for the markers. I gotta say the headlights look pretty good. Even though there's no clear lens, they molded in the circles so it looks still like headlights. So interesting. The windows are like this weird aqua. They look like water. You can actually see some seats back there as well. They're like translucent but not really clear. You know, it looks like there's smoke or something inside the thing. Here's a ChoroQ logo. Door handle there, but that's a weird looking door handle there. And then these wheels are kind of weird as well. They look very semi-truck to me, or tank. Not really ambulance. It's got this crazy light bar here that you see on some Japanese ambulances. And then some ribbing here. So this looks like a separate piece, which makes me now think this probably is a real car in real life. You know, without this, they probably had a different livery. But I don't know what it would be. Alright, so taillights are painted red. Not the best paint app. So 2008, Targa Japan. There's the motor. And I think the body might be cast in white. Alright, let's open this trunk up. Alright, so it's interesting. There's like side panels. I don't know why they would have to put those in there, because why couldn't they just have those clear windows? Strange decisions. Alright, well anyways, the gurney. So maybe this is supposed to fold down more. Oh, there it is. You have to force it past those posts. It will get past there. Alright. Yep, the gurney fits inside. Alright, you can see the gurney from the back. I don't see really why they had those side panels there. It's weird because it cuts across here, you know? Alright, well, that's it. That's definitely a strange gimmick. But for a little kid, probably alright. You can still put a coin in here, and the thing will take off and do a wheelie. Wow, that motor sounds fast. Alright, let's take a look at a couple other models. I don't have any 1/64 scale ambulances, nor will I ever get any, because they'll probably be too big. But I do have an old high ace from TLV. And I also have this Hobby Japan Toyota Alphard or Alphard. Or is it Hobby Japan? Yeah, it is Hobby Japan. But I swapped out the wheels and painted the interior on it. So this would be the closest things I have in 1/64 scale to this thing. So it's foreshortened quite a bit. But from the front view, it doesn't look out of place. It looks like a normal 1/64 scale from the front and the rear. Alright, so I have this fire engine from ChoroQ, and I have an ambulance of a Western styling, and for a 24 TV show set. So now these are all, well, actually the fire engine is kind of long, but they all have the same spring motor, so relatively same wheelbase. Alright. So it's an interesting one. I like cartoon service vehicles, so I'm okay collecting this in cartoon form. I wouldn't buy this in 1/64 scale, at least I say that today. So hopefully you can enjoy the cartoons to come. Alright, see ya.